The invisible threats on surfaces.
Bacteria and viruses can survive on everyday surfaces for hours or even days. Touching contaminated counters, doorknobs, or phones allows germs to hitch a ride onto hands. Without regular cleaning, these invisible threats accumulate, making it easier for infections to spread from person to person throughout homes, workplaces, and public spaces.
How germs make you sick.
When you touch a contaminated surface and then touch your eyes, nose, or mouth, germs can enter your body. This is called fomite transmission. Many common illnesses, like colds, the flu, and stomach bugs, often spread this way. Effective surface cleaning disrupts this pathway, helping to break the chain of infection.
The science behind cleaning.
Cleaning removes dirt and grime, while disinfecting targets and destroys microorganisms. Most disinfectants work by breaking down the germ's protective layers or disrupting essential processes inside the cell. Using the right products and techniques, such as leaving disinfectants on surfaces for the recommended time, ensures germs are truly eliminated.
High-touch surfaces matter most.
Frequently touched surfaces, like light switches, keyboards, door handles, and smartphones, are hotspots for germ transfer. Focusing cleaning on these areas makes a significant difference in reducing illness risk, especially during cold and flu seasons or outbreaks of diseases like COVID-19.
Clean surfaces, healthier lives.
Regular and targeted cleaning isn't just about appearance. It's a scientifically proven way to reduce infection risk. By understanding how cleanliness disrupts the spread of germs, we can make smarter choices at home, at work, and in public. A little attention to surface hygiene leads to healthier environments for everyone.